Hi, this is Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming with another cool product. This is from K-Tek This is their Airo Booming Intro Kit 1. This thing's pretty neat. It basically is a nice carry pack that comes with it, and you can have inside of it, of course, a fuzzy windscreen, shock mount, boom pole, and XLR cable in a padded kit bag. And like I said, it's got a nice handle on it. The only thing you're missing here is a microphone, and you can use this as a nice big boom pole, just like you see the professional sound quality people do. This is great for podcasters, YouTubers, people who want to, do live shooting and be able to have a boom pole that comes in and mics the people that are talking. So pretty cool here, everything that goes into it, and basically fairly inexpensive. They put this together as a package so you can take and do that. This thing is super long. It'll extend to 10 feet 10 inches on the boom pole, and it collapses to 3 feet 2.5 inches and weighs just 1.6 pounds. It's a great pole and super long, super tall. You can easily do all of your boom audio monitoring with it, which comes pretty good. It's all set up where it's got the what they call the dead cat, sometimes the fuzzy windscreen that covers up your mic. You've got the cable that you can wrap around through it. If you want to use a smaller cable you can buy separately, you can run the cable up through the center of the pole. You've got to get a separate cable for that, of course. And then of course you've got your unit, which will take and screw onto the pole so that you can take and run your microphone through it. So you've got the shock mount that can do that, and of course hold it so that it's not gonna, it can take some bumps and still be able to spring around, all that good stuff. I think you'll love the product. We were pretty impressed with it. It comes in a wonderful handy kit where you can get everything you need. All you need to go after that is go grab the microphone and a nice shotgun mic, if you will, and away you go. Anyway, a great way to become a professional, especially if you're a YouTube artist or creator, or you're making videos. I'd say great for podcasts, especially if you're doing them out in different places. You can check it out that way. Anyway, go to ktekpro.com. Tell them Chris Voss sent you. Check out the Airo Booming Kit 1. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.